Hi, everybody. My name is Dr. Bennett. I'm the instructor for the Research in Physics course, and I have some information to share with you and want to encourage you, if you're interested to learn more, to come to one of the interest meetings that we're going to have for Research in Physics. So down here at the bottom, you can see the dates and times for our interest meetings on Tuesday and Thursday, and also the Zoom link where you can join the meeting. So I'll say a little bit about myself. So I've been teaching this Research in Physics course for about 15 years now, and have worked on a lot of different types of projects in different areas of physics with students. We can do experiments. For example, I had a student one year who was interested in breaking things of different shapes. And if you start with two objects of different shapes, but the same size, same mass, and then smash them and look at the pieces and find the masses of the pieces, do you think that there's any correlation between the pieces that you get and what their masses are and the shape that you started with? And you'll have to come to one of my interest meetings if you want to find out what my student found. We have students also doing astronomy type projects with telescopes. We can get you an account to use a telescope that's controlled over the internet. You can take your own images of stars or galaxies. Also, we have students who, there are lots of public databases from NASA and other places that have data. For example, you might have heard of the LIGO, the Gravitational Wave Observatory, that's looking at gravitational waves from black holes and so on. I have a student this year, Shardul, who's learned how to analyze that data. So you can do sort of computational projects, modeling things, or you can design an experiment that's physics related. And that can be in many different areas of physics, from mechanics, optics, to astronomy, to acoustics, and many other areas. So I want to make sure you know a little bit about how the course runs. It is begins in Jan term. So if you're joining the course, you would have to take it as Jan term in your junior year, followed by the spring semester junior year, followed by fall semester senior year. So that's a full year, and you can really go pretty deep into a research project with the time that you'd have there. It's also a double block class. We meet F and G blocks every day except Tuesday. So it's a very big time commitment, but the payoff is you get to work on something that's interesting to you and put a lot of time into that. You do have to apply. There will be an application link available after the junior interest meeting after school on Monday, the 28th. And so the deadline for that is October 7th. And I encourage you, if you're interested in doing a physics research project, go ahead and apply. And I'd love to hear what you want to do. And email me if you have questions about the application or what might be feasible for your project. You don't have to know already what you want to do, but email me if you have questions about anything on the application. So finally, I'd just like to say, physics is a very broad field. Many, many different kinds of projects are possible in research in physics. And it's important to me that whatever my students are working on, the number one thing is that they're invested in it, and it's something they're really excited about. So we have a lot of fun. We learn a lot of physics together. And I hope if you like physics that you'll come to one of the interest meetings to learn more. Thanks for listening.